अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने अमरीका ईरान जंग बंदी माहिदे पर गुज़श्ता रोज़ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक दस्तखत किए जाने की तस्दीक की। फ्रांसीसी सदर इमैनुअल मैक्रोन के साथ प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में अमरीकी सदर ने कहा कि बाकायदा तकरीब बरोज़ जुमा जिनीवा में होगी। अमरीका की तरफ से नायब सदर JD वैंस शिरकत करेंगे और बावर ये भी कराया कि आबनाए होर्मुज़ जुज़वी तौर पर खुल गई है। जहाज़ों की बाकायदा आमदरफ्त जुमे से बहाल हो जाएगी। ईरान के खिलाफ पाबंदियों में नरमी वादों से अमल दरामद से मशरूत करार दी थी।
I'm very happy to say it's signed, the deal's all signed, and the strait is already partially opened. As you know, they're doing a little hunting for a couple of mines that they've already found, but it's essentially ships are starting to go out. Now, on Friday, it'll be completely opened. But I think a lot of great things are going to happen in the Middle East right now. And very importantly, the oil is plummeting down. And the stock market is shooting up like a rocket today, like record kind of numbers. We've done a great job. And hopefully it's going to be a good relationship and we're going to get along. And if we don't, we go back to where we started. But I don't think that's going to be necessary. The Iran deal that we made is going to bring a lot of success to the world because the oil was really clogged up there for a while. Well, it depends. JD's coming in for it. He was originally going to do it. I'll probably be gone by then. We're having dinner in a day and a half, right? We're going to be staying quite late. So I may be involved, I may not.